Hello children and welcome to a special presentation we like to call Don't Drink Out of That Water Bottle because it could kill you.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Don't you know water bottles are bad for you?
Why?
Because they cost a lot of money, produce a lot of waste, promote privatization of water, and can cause cancer. And it's not better than tap. But don't just take it from me, let's go to the professor.
Okay.
Hello children, I'm Professor White.
And I'm the gray robot.
Hey Gray Robot, let's look at the effects of water companies around the world.
Alright, let's go.
So first let's go to Bolivia.
So at first, the people in Bolivia were happy because they had fresh water. But then a company that owned a slaughterhouse started to dump the blood of the cows and the other animals that they killed into the river, which was bad because it contaminated the river. And this made the people sad because they no longer had anything to drink. So because they were sad, they started to complain. But instead of purifying the water, the companies covered the blood with cement slabs.
Whoa, that's so terrible.
But that's not all, Gray Robot. Let's go to more places around the world. Next, let's visit Leslie and China.
So the people of Lesotho and China were also happy because they had water. But then a dam was built. This caused millions of people to be forced to move from their home that had water to barren areas that sometimes had no water whatsoever. And this made them sad.
That's another terrible event.
Yeah, but there's even more. Let's go to another place. Finally, let's visit India.
So the people of India were also happy because they had the Ganges River, which was very precious to them. However, the Coca-Cola packing company came in and started to dump pollutants, and they tried to pass off toxic waste as fertilizer, which they would give as a gift to people. However, this actually killed plants and caused the water to be polluted.
Thank goodness these places are so far away. They don't affect us at all.
Well, that's what you think. But let's look at the world stage again. So the places seem far away because Bolivia's here, and Leslie's here, and India's here, and China's here, and we're right here. Yay! But sadly, stuff also happens in the United States, specifically in Michigan.
So what happened in Michigan?
Well, in Michigan, the Nestle company came in and started pumping water. This caused numerous fauna and flora to die because they no longer had the water they needed to survive. The people in Michigan also started having to pay for water that they could have gotten in their tap. So what have you learned?
Let's see, I think I learned about how dangerous atrazine can be when it's found in bottled water. And I also learned that actually a lot of companies pollute water when they're making plastic water bottles. And I remember something else too. I remember reading this book that talked about how these water bottles, they're plastic. When they're not recycled, it actually takes a while for them to decompose in the landfill, so it's kind of harmful to the environment.
Yay! So remember kids, stay away from water bottles to help Mother Nature.
Whoop, whoop.